How to Use a 3D Printer by HowExpert with Zachary Heston. If you want to learn how to use a 3D printer by a real-life expert, then read this short, step-by-step guide. You will learn everything you need to learn about 3D printing in a short, no-fluff, fun, and concise way. About the expert. I am currently a student who works with 3D printing. I have worked with my specific 3D printer, the Wanhao II3V2, for about a year now, and have enjoyed every moment of it. I found 3D printing extremely hard but fascinating from the beginning. However, I believe anyone who even has the slightest interest should learn more about it and see if they can connect with it. I mainly got into 3D printing by seeing people make these incredible things, and I thought to myself, I have to do this. Now that dream has come true, and I have the ability to work on amazing projects for clients and myself alike, such as BB-8 from Star Wars, The Force Awakens. Table of Contents. Chapter 1. Getting Started. Chapter 2. Buying a 3D Printer. Chapter 3. Setting Up. Chapter 4. Downloading Models. Chapter 5. Filament. Chapter 6. Software. Chapter 7. Modding. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.